have some fun, learning letters one by one. Join the adventure, everyone. A is for apple, A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for baby, B is for baby. A cute baby is giggling joyfully. Is for car, C is for car, zooming so fast. D is for dog, D is for dog that loves to play happily. E is for egg, E is for egg, cracking with glee. F is for frog, F is for frog, jumping up so high. G is for goat, G is for goat, munching on hay. H is for horse, H is for horse, galloping with speed. I is for igloo, I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jelly, J is for jelly, wobbly and bright. K is for kangaroo, K is for kangaroo, hopping so fast. L is for lamb, L is for lamb, woolly and shy. M is for monkey, M is for monkey, swinging through the trees. N is for narwhal, N is for narwhal, swimming in the sea. O is for ostrich, O is for ostrich, running so fast. P is for peacock, P is for peacock, feathers so vast. Q is for queen, Q is for queen with the crown of gold. R is for rabbit, R is for rabbit, running fast, doing the trick. S is for shark, S is for shark, swimming with a grin. T is for tiger, T is for tiger, striped on its skin. U is for unicorn, U is for unicorn, magical and bright. V is for violin, V is for violin, played at school. W is for whale, W is for whale, splashing in the sea. X is for x-ray fish, X is for x-ray fish, see-through and bland. Y is for yak, Y is for yak, furry and strong. Z is for zebra, Z is for zebra with stripes all around. Final climb, we learn from A to Z, sing it again, just you and me. Learning letters one by one, sing it again, come with me. Learning's fun, day and night.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Learn vehicles name A to Z. A is for ambulance. B is for bus. C is for car. D is for drone. E is for excavator. F is for fire truck. G is for golf cart. H is for helicopter. I is for ice cream truck. J is for jeep. K is for cart. L is for limousine. M is for motorcycle. N is for navy ship. O is for oil tanker. P is for police car. Q is for quad bike. R is for rocket. S is for scooter. T is for taxi. U is for unicycle. V is for van. W is for wheelchair. X is for express train. Y is for yacht. Z is for zeppelin. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.